Once upon a time, in a world filled with magic and wonder, there was a curious child named Timmy. Timmy loved to play with toys and dreamt of a way to keep all his favorite toys together so he could take them on adventures wherever he went. One sunny day, Timmy stumbled upon a mysterious box called a container. Inside this magical box, he discovered that he could put all the things needed to make a special toy come to life. It was like a small suitcase that kept everything organized and ready for fun. As he played with his new magical container, Timmy found another enchanting box called Docker. This magical box helped him create and manage many special toy containers. Timmy was delighted because now he could make as many toys as he wanted and share them with his friends. They could all play with the same toys and have amazing adventures together. Timmy's excitement grew as he heard whispers about a grand playground called Kubernetes. In this mystical playground, there was a wise and caring person known as the Master. The Master was like a friendly boss who made sure everything in the playground was organized and ran smoothly. The Master knew exactly how many toys were needed and where they should be placed in the playground. With the help of cheerful worker helpers, who were like magical toy builders, the toys were brought to life based on the Master's instructions. Each toy had its own cozy little home called a pod. Inside the pod, there could be more than one toy box, container, that played together. They happily shared their toys and could talk to each other, making playtime even more enjoyable. To ensure everyone had a chance to play, there were special paths called services. These magical paths led to the toys, making it easy for all the children in the playground to find their favorite toys. The services also made sure that the number of children playing with each toy was fair and balanced, so no one felt left out. Sometimes, the toys needed to remember things or keep special items safe. That's when volumes came into play. These magical lockers allowed the toys to store their special treasures. Even if the toys took a break and returned later, they could still find their cherished items safe and sound in the lockers. When the toys wanted to learn how to play new games or share secrets, they turned to config maps and secrets. These were like magical books that the toys read to learn exciting new playtime activities. They whispered their secrets to each other, working together in a special way that made their adventures even more magical. The playground had different areas where the toys could play without getting in each other's way. These areas were called namespaces, and they kept everything organized and safe. The playground was also filled with a mysterious book called the Kubernetes API. The Master used this magic book to talk to the toys and make sure they were all having a wonderful time. When Timmy wanted to tell the toys what to do, he used a special wand called KuberCTL. With this wand, he could command the toys, and they would happily listen to him. Timmy's joy knew no bounds when he discovered a special friend called Helm. Helm was like a helpful fairy that brought even more toys and fun to the playground. With Helm's assistance, Timmy could create and manage many toys all at once, making playtime with his friends even more exciting. To play in this amazing playground of Kubernetes, Timmy could set up a mini-play area in his room using a magical tool called Minikube or Kind. Alternatively, he could venture into big playgrounds run by cloud providers like Google, Amazon, or Microsoft, where there were endless toys and space for everyone to play together. As Timmy explored the vast playground of Kubernetes, he realized that it might seem big and complex at first, but it was full of magic and fun waiting to be discovered. With the help of his friends and lots of practice, Timmy knew he would become a master toy builder, and together, they would embark on countless exciting adventures. And so, the curious child Timmy, armed with the knowledge of Kubernetes and the magic of imagination, began an enchanting journey that would shape his dreams and spark wondrous new tales of joy and wonder. The end.